Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and unlink your EA account from PSN? Well, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. To unlink your EA account from PSN, first what you want to do is simply go ahead and log into your EA account by heading into help.ea.com, just like that. Once you've done that, make sure that you are already logged into your account. Now all you need to do is simply go ahead into your account settings, and then once you've headed into your account settings, you can also click on manage linked accounts right over here. And once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and look for the PSN account. So let me just go ahead and show it to you real quick as soon as I log in. Now, as you can see, simply click on the manage linked accounts, and there's going to be your PlayStation account on the linked account right over here. Click on unlink, and that is it. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.